Hey guys, and welcome back to Technology Reviews. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Apple Arcade, which is a new subscription hub by Apple available through the App Store. But before I go on any further, don't forget to like, comment and share if you like what you see here. And now that I've said that, let's get straight into it. So as I said, Apple Arcade is a new subscription service from Apple, where Apple has joined forces with some of the world's most visionary developers to give you unlimited access to over 100 games rolling out over the next few months. Apple's plan is to push the boundaries and make it possible to create the games of your dreams, which you can download for free with one cheap bundle. There are a range of games and genres available, including ones like Shinsekai of the Deep, Sonic Racing, and loads of other genres like puzzles. With Apple Arcade, you have access to literally every type of game, and with multiplayer options as well. Most of the games I find accessible, but some are easier to play on some devices more than others. There are also games you can play if you're into more relaxing games, and exciting ones if you're an intense gamer. It has games suitable for all ages, but as far as accessibility is concerned, I would say it depends largely on your level of disability. You get a 3-month trial when you sign up to Apple Arcade, and after that it costs £4.99. But overall I will give it 4 stars